Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Moi, and in today's video I will be talking about how I would learn programming if I was starting from zero again. So the first thing I would do is to pick one path. I wouldn't decide to pick mobile, web, game development, AI, data science, everything all at once. It's really not feasible. You can't learn everything at the same time. So the best route would be to pick one. So you could decide you want to go into web development, you could decide you want to build mobile apps, or you just want to build backend systems, which is completely fine. So you pick just the one. So how I would go is I would pick one part and I will stick with it, because I find that trying to learn everything at the same time is exactly how you get stuck. So the second thing I would do is I would learn the basics properly. So say I decided I wanted to learn web development and backend development, and I wanted to learn C#. What I would do is I will learn about the variables, how to create variables. I'll learn about loops, functions, conditions, and pretty much just understanding what my code is doing and the syntax, and just understanding the basic and the fundamental parts, because those eventually extend into the complex bits. Then thirdly, I will build small projects. So it's very important that you start with small projects. You could build to-do apps, you could build a calculator app, you could build even a single login form, because projects teach more than actually watching videos all day. It's easy to watch videos, but until you start putting in the effort into creating small projects, there's still lots of work to do in terms of learning how to program. Then fourth, I wouldn't rely on watching just the tutorials. I mentioned that tutorials are good to watch, but it's very important that after every tutorial you should challenge yourself. You could decide to change a small feature or break the app and fix it. This is actually something I do. When I used to watch videos, I would watch the tutorials, follow it, and then try to break something and see if I could fix it, build it again, and without watching the videos. So that helps me a long way. Another thing I would do is I would code every single day, even if it's just 30 minutes, because consistency beats motivation. It's very important that you put in time to code every day. Then I would also build a simple portfolio very early. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it just has to be real projects that show that you can build, you can think, and that you can actually finish building a product. And then finally, I would enjoy the process, because programming is hard, but it's also very powerful. You can literally build things from nothing. You can build things from just thinking. So these are the things that I would do if I was learning to program from zero again. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.